One way to make equivalent fractions is to look at the number of pieces. So for example, in this particular case, you can see that we've got a pizza with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and there are 2 left, so 2/6. But if we were to cut that pizza into 3 times as many pieces, so let's cut each of these slices into 3. And I'm not doing a great job, but oops. But you get the idea. So now it's cut into more pieces. If you were to count them, you would find that there are 18. And of those 18, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 18ths left. But those fractions are equivalent. They mean the same thing. Now we could also do this mathematically. So 2/6, and if we wanted to raise that to an amount over 18, well, 6 times 3 is 18, and 2 times 3 is 6. So we can multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number to create an equivalent fraction. But what if, instead of cutting the pizza into more pieces, we cut it into fewer pieces? So now, as you can see, this pizza is going to be cut into 3 pieces instead. So now we have 1 piece is left out of 3, 1/3. We can also do that mathematically. So 2/6, if we were going to convert it to an equivalent fraction over 3, then we would divide 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So to make equivalent fractions then, what we need to do is multiply or divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So for example, say we have 2/6, and we want to raise it into something over 48. So let's find this missing number. Alright, so we know that 6 times 8 is 48. So then that means that we should also multiply 2 by 8. So the equivalent fraction is 16 over 48. That means the same thing as 2/6. And here's another example. Say we have 8/12, and we want to reduce it to 2 over something. Well, we know that 8 divided by 4 is 2, so we can divide 12 by 4 as well, and that's going to give us 3. So 8/12 and 2/3 are equivalent.